Welcome everyone. Today we're going to discuss something fundamental to how our school functions. These are the school policies, right? And these aren't just random rules. They are the backbone of a positive and productive learning environment for all of us, right, partner?
Yes, exactly. School policies are essentially the clear guidelines that dictate how our school operates daily. The main goal is to ensure fairness, create consistent approach to various situations, and most importantly, maintain a safe and supportive environment for every student and staff
Okay.
members.
Yeah. So let's proceed to the key policies and their functions. With, of course, we'll provide some concrete examples. Let's look at student conduct as a prime example. Student conduct policies on things like attendance, so being present and on time, and appropriate behavior are often informed by the Department of Education's guidelines. So meron doon. These policies are in place to help us maintain order, foster respect among students, and ensure a focused learning atmosphere for the students too.
So, another critical areas is how our school manage finance. Policies regarding a collection of contribution are essential for ensuring transparency and ethical handling of funds raised. Typically, this is responsibility lies with the PTA treasurer, and it's important to understand that the teachers and other school personnel should not be involved in this collection to maintain clear boundaries.
Yeah. To clarify the appropriate role of a key stakeholder, building on that, it's worth clarifying that while PTAs play a vital supportive role in our school community, their focus should be on collaboration and assistance. So they should not be involved in academic decisions, operating canteens, or selling insurances, as these fall under different operational areas. So I repeat that the PTAs shouldn't be involved in academic decisions, operating canteens, or selling insurances because those fall under the different operational areas.
So, the role of community and effective policy formulation emphasize collaboration. Our school isn't isolated entity. Effective and well-received policies often come up through the collaboration with our community.
Mhm.
Parents, guardians, and even students in some cases, the partnership foster a sense of ownership and shared responsibility of for upholding guidelines.
Yeah. So considering our grading system, so there is a grading system for DepEd, which is the e-grade sheet. And considering that grading system, the policies around how teachers assess student work are designed to ensure fairness and objectivity. So it was designed to ensure na fair yung pamamalakad ng mga guro. Along that, this means that students are evaluated based on clear and consistent standards, allowing for a transparent understanding of their academic progress. So let's proceed to the benefits of well-defined policies, articulating the positive outcomes. Let's start with what you're going to say, partner.
So, clear and communicated policies offer significant advantages for everyone.
Mhm.
In our school community that provide predictable framework for making decisions, minimize misunderstanding about exceptions and
Expectations.
expectation, and cultivate a culture where accountability is the norm.
Mm. So, to explain how policies support the core functions of the school, so when the rules are clear, remember, when the rules are clear and understood by all, our school can operate more efficiently. Remember that when the rules are clear and understood by all, by the school head, the PTAs, our school can operate more efficiently. So this allows our dedicated teachers to concentrate on what they do best. So what are they doing best? What do teachers do best? Of course, it's teaching. So as future educators in the future, we are empowered. We are also, aside from being empowered, we are empowering our students to focus on their primary goal, which is learning.
So to summarize this, school policies are more much than just a list of rules.
Mhm.
So they are very foundation upon which successful and thriving school community is built.
Okay, so by actively working together to understand, support, and uphold these policies, we can collectively ensure that our school remains a place where every student, like us, has the opportunity to learn, has the opportunity to grow, and has the opportunity to reach our full potential in a safe and equitable environment. So these are the
These
so.
are
Mhm.
these are the policies, like the school policies and their function.
Okay, so thank you for listening. Bye.